As you can see here, I just started it up. The idle is pretty good. It doesn't surge or sputter or anything like that. It's pretty consistent, but it might be hard to tell in the video. The vehicle does vibrate quite noticeably. It's probably tough to tell on camera, but sometimes if you look at the shifter, or sometimes you can even hear a rattle in the dash where it's vibrating. But the spark plugs, the ignition coils in this vehicle have been changed. No check engine light. I previously did have a check engine light on for a Bank 1-2 Rich, and the code number escapes me. I'm going to have to look it up. I was able to get the check engine light to clear by pulling out the mass airflow sensor and just cleaning it. Now that it's been running for a couple minutes, you can start to hear a little bit of an oscillation. It probably doesn't pick up on the camera, but I'd really like to just know what this noise is coming out of the tailpipe. That might not have come across well on the video, but basically the exhaust has a really sort of a beefy exhaust note, one you'd almost sometimes see in a performance exhaust system, which this certainly isn't. It is a brand new exhaust that I had put on when I got the vehicle, and it was probably hard to see, but the tailpipe does shake just a little bit. Not the classic shaking you'd see with a classic type of a misfire. It's very subtle, but to me it just doesn't seem right. If anybody has any words on that, feel free to chime in, but I really just wish it could be a little bit quieter and smoother. If anybody has any insight there, is it a misfire? Do you think it might be the oxygen sensor? Maybe just even a mass airflow sensor? I'd really like to get to the bottom of that. So thank you very much, and leave a comment.